Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Ram 1500 tail light. First, let's gather the necessary tools and prepare your vehicle. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new tail light assembly. Always ensure your truck is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Taking these initial steps will make the process smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's remove the old tail light. You'll typically find two mounting screws on the inside edge of the tail light assembly. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire housing straight back from the truck. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. With the old light removed, it's time to install your new one. First, connect the electrical wiring from your truck to the new tail light assembly. Make sure each connector clicks securely into place. Next, carefully align the new tail light assembly with the mounting holes on your Dodge Ram 1500. Gently push the assembly firmly into place until it sits flush against the truck body. To complete the installation, reinstall the two mounting screws you removed earlier. Tighten them just enough to secure the new tail light without over-tightening. Finally, turn on your Dodge Ram 1500 and test all the light functions. Check your brake lights, turn signals, and running lights to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your tail light.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.